Hey guys, the Happy Cultivator here, and today we're going to be building some soil to start some vegetable beds. Alright guys, here we go. This is the basic building blocks for building some soil for my no-till beds. I have some new beds that I'm going to be building, as well as some beds in the urban garden proper that are going to need some amending. And this is the basic building blocks of how to amend your no-till soil and even how to start a no-till bed. What I have is some organic all-natural garden soil, and what that is basically compost. It's nothing more than a commercial compost. Over here I have Kellogg's Organic Plus Patio Plus, and this is more of a potting soil. It is basically just organic matter, and it's just one tiny step above a compost, but truly I still consider it a compost, although you can use it in a pot as potting soil, an outdoor potting mix. Further adding to the compost of my base for my no-till is some chicken manure and some steer manure. And what I'll do with those is I'll just throw them into my compost pile and mix those together, and then I'll use that as my bulk compost. And I plan on doing that with one of the bags of garden soil as well, and it'll just increase my compost as my compost pile is a little low. And then with the Organic Plus, I'll use that as the topsoil in the bed. And then the bark, the small bark, is used as a mulch when cover crop is not present. So most of this is for vegetable gardening. However, some of it will be used on the cannabis. And then the bark will mainly be used on the vegetables as a mulch, because when you use straw, you can get some wheat or hayseed in the straw, which will grow. And if you don't want any green mulch, then you want to use your bark.